Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be giving my fridge a deep clean. There's parts of this fridge that I didn't even realise came off, so this is the deepest clean I have ever given this fridge since I've had it. If you're a subscriber, welcome back, great to see you back here. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charmaine and I am a mum of 2 little boys. Please subscribe down below, and while you're down there, give the video a thumbs up if you like it and say hi and let me know where you're from. So the first thing I'm doing is taking out all the food that's in the main part of the fridge. I want to get this part of the fridge done first so I can get the food back in without it going off. So I'm just taking it all out now, and I've got a bag that I'm just chucking anything that's no good out so I can take it straight to the bin. I gave the fridge as well as the shelving a clean down with just some warm water and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. I'm just getting the food back into the fridge now so it doesn't go off, and I can clean the rest of the drawers. used to have my fruit and vegetables all in these drawers, but I found that I would forget about it a lot because it's all chopped up. So now I put my dairy down the bottom because generally you need that, you'll go get it. And I'll put my fruit up the top and my vegetables in the drawer, making sure I try and put it at the front so I can actually see it when I look in the fridge. It was quite late when I got to this stage, so I was going to call it a night, but I thought before I do, I'm going to check the dates on the food that I have in my door. It is the next morning now, so I'm going to take all the food out the doors, take the shelves out and give it all a clean. This is the part where I found parts that came off the fridge that I didn't realize they came off. And while I'm doing it, I am talking to my boys while they're having breakfast. What are you guys having for breakfast?
Grapes.
Leftover crepes, are they yummy? This part of the fridge, I was amazed it came out, and I was so happy it did because there was stuff that was down in the little cracks that I was trying to scrub and it just wasn't coming out. So being able to put it in the sink and give it a good wash and it came out, I was so pleased. The shelving was quite messy. It just made a world of difference getting in and giving the fridge a good clean. It felt so much cleaner and organised once I had finished. I added this in because I couldn't find my container before. This is what I normally store my carrots in, with a bit of paper towel underneath. It just soaks up any extra moisture, which makes them last longer.